Bisaya name of domestic animals, we have iro, dog. Example, ang iro kay tambok. So, iro is dog. We also have iring, which is cat. Ang iring kay cute. So, iring is cat. We also have kabayo. In English, horse. Ang kabayo kay mudagan o paspas. So, kabayo is horse. We also have baboy, which is pig. Ang baboy kay bugat. So, baboy is pig. We also have kanding, which is goat. Ang kanding kay mahal. So, kanding is goat. We also have baka, which is cow. Ang baka kay mukaon og sagbot. So, baka is cow. We also have manok, which is chicken. Ang manok kay mangitlog. Manok is chicken. So we have iro is dog, iring is cat, kabayo is horse, baboy is pig, kanding is goat, baka is cow, and manok for chicken. I hope that you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Bisaya language learning.